Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Angel Liz. So today, you guys, we are doing a keto-friendly stuffed mushroom. And what I'm going to be using is I have some baby portobellos. One of them broke, but they've been washed and I took the stem out and cleaned them out. I have some bacon that I've already sauteed, and it looks a little dark, but it's okay. And then I have some chopped onion, chopped bell pepper. And here I have, this is Italian style cream cheese or marscapone, and this is whipped cream cheese. And also I have some sharp cheddar cheese, and I have grated parmesan cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and saute the onions and the bell pepper, and I'm going to season up the cream cheese. I'm going to use salt and pepper and a little garlic powder and maybe just a little paprika sprinkled over the top once I'm finished. But I'll be back to show you how these look. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I've sauteed my peppers and my onions. I'm sorry if the lighting is not so great. I'm actually not using my tripod. So I'm holding it. I don't know why I decided. Well, this was kind of last minute, but y'all don't care about that. Y'all care about this recipe. Y'all care about the food, okay? So what I did was I sauteed my peppers and my onions, and I have my bacon in there. There's a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese. There was actually, I had a 1/2 cup of the mascarpone, and I had a little bit more than half of the cream cheese. I think I had close to about 3/4 cup of the whipped cream cheese. And so I mixed all that together, and I mixed in a 1/4 cup of the grated parmesan. And I measured, you guys, so that I can tell you what I did. I used a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and I used about a 1/4, maybe closer to a 1/2 of black pepper, and I used probably about a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And then my parsley flakes, I used about a teaspoon of parsley flakes. Salt, I went just about 1/2 teaspoon because the cream cheese already has salt in it. Cheddar cheese has salt, the parmesan has salt, so we don't want to make it too salty. So I'm gonna go ahead and stuff these and get these in the oven, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. Yeah, so I have them all stuffed, and these are on a metal baking pan with the wire rack, and I sprayed the rack well. And the reason I wanted to do them on this is because mushrooms tend to have moisture, so we want the moisture to fall away. So it's good to have this rack for them to sit on top of. And I'm going to put these in a 425 degree heated oven for about 20 minutes. And I will be back to show you the finished product. Okay, you guys, so these are the finished stuffed mushrooms. Now what I did is I topped these with a little Parmesan cheese and paprika before I put them into the oven. Because Parmesan cheese is like a breading when you're doing keto. It kind of substitutes for the bread, because when it's grated like that, it doesn't really like break down. So it gives you kind of a bread texture. So yeah, you guys, that's it. That's my keto-friendly stuffed mushroom. So I hope you guys like this recipe. I apologize for the shaky camera. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.